Hello and welcome. In this video, we will walk you through how to request a water meter, sewer connection, backflow device, and certificate of occupancy inspection through our permit portal. First, go to the district's permit portal at permits.evmwd.com. Select the Service Connection Permit Application link. Under the All Unresolved Inspection tab, select the type of inspection you are requesting, such as meter inspection, sewer inspection, backflow device inspection, or a certificate of occupancy inspection. A request for inspection window will appear. Complete all required information. Important notes: inspections must be requested at least 48 hours in advance. Lastly, inspections are only scheduled on weekdays excluding district holidays. After completing the request, select Submit Request. Next, go to My Fees to pay the inspection fees. The inspection will be scheduled once payment is processed. If you need assistance completing the inspection request, please contact Engineering Services at EngServices@evmwd.net or 951-674-3146, extension 96705. Our staff is happy to help in person, over the phone, or virtually.